Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's a beautiful day up here in North Carolina. I'm at Old School Knife Works. We're gonna run in here and see what this place is all about. My daughter lives down the road here in Clayton, Georgia, and she said she's always wanted to come up here and she knew I would probably like it, so here we are. So I'm gonna pause this, we're gonna run inside and see what we can find out. So these are my kiddos. Just brought these two beautiful little girls back up here to my daughter. That's my other daughter and my grandson Clayton. We're gonna go inside and see what we can get into. Okay, here we go. We got plenty of knife handle material, antler stock. Here's some jig bone, dyed bone, all kinds of stuff here. Pretty good selection of antler. Here's a whole bin of antler stock over here. Plenty of handle. This whole end section here is all handle material. Display cases. Here's your knife blanks. Very cool. Damascus, pretty reasonably priced for what you're getting, I'm assuming. These are some custom knives here. And then this is the $5 box that I'm gonna fix to dig through. Ellaville, you know where Americus is? Americus, Georgia, or Columbus, Georgia? It's about 60 miles from Columbus, Georgia. This year is November 15th on a Saturday.
So about 4 hours.
Yeah, from here, yeah. They're really good knives for the price.
Look at the tarantula.
A tarantula, go look at it.
Where?
One that caught my eye. But this is my bread and butter. This is my world. Buy them for 3 to 5, sell them for 5 to 10.
stingray.
Old School Knife Works, folks. Y'all got to come up here and check it out. There you go, folks. Old School Knife Works. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Above all, have a beautiful day.